In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best car batteries in 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best car batteries in 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Lipower Group 94 RH7/L4 solid-state car battery, 12V80Ah start-stop automotive battery, 1500 ACCA, 180 RC, 1024WH, 10-year lifespan, 5-year warranty. 1500 A cold cranking power delivers an impressive 1500 ACCA for reliable engine starts, even in extreme cold temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius -22 degree F. Advanced solid-state battery technology. Next generation solid-state design offers enhanced safety, improved durability, and consistent high-performance power delivery, optimized for start-stop vehicles. Designed to support modern start-stop systems, providing dependable performance while helping improve fuel efficiency. 12V80Ah high-capacity battery features 80Ah capacity, 180 minutes reserve capacity RC, and 1024WH energy storage for dependable starting and stable electrical performance. Long service life, built for up to 10 years of lifespan under normal operating conditions and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Group 94R/H7/L4 fitment compatible with vehicles requiring Group 94R/H7/L4/77L4 battery size. Always verify your vehicle's battery specifications before purchasing. The Lipower Group 94R solid-state car battery is engineered to provide exceptional starting power and long-lasting reliability for today's demanding vehicles. Featuring 1500 A cold cranking amp CCA. Number 2, TPE AGM Battery BCI Group 48H6 12V70Ah maintenance-free automotive battery, 800 CCA, 120 RC. AGM lead-acid car battery for reliable starting performance. 800 cold cranking amp CCA delivers dependable engine starts in hot and cold weather, providing reliable performance for everyday driving. 12V70Ah AGM battery high-capacity 70Ah absorbent glass matte AGM battery offers stable power for modern vehicles and demanding electrical systems. Maintenance-free AGM design sealed, spill-proof. Construction eliminates the need for adding water while providing enhanced durability and vibration resistance. 120-minute reserve capacity RC supplies dependable backup power for vehicle, electronics and accessories when the engine is off. BCI Group 48/H6 fitment designed to fit vehicles requiring Group 48H6 battery size. Always confirm compatibility with your vehicle before purchase. Reliable automotive performance, ideal for passenger cars, SUVs, and vehicles with advanced electrical systems, delivering long-lasting starting power and dependable operation. The TPE AGM Battery BCI Group 48H6 is a premium 12V70Ah maintenance-free automotive battery engineered to provide reliable starting power and consistent electrical performance. Featuring 800 cold cranking amp CCA, it delivers dependable engine starts in both hot and cold weather, while its 120-minute reserve capacity, RC, helps power essential vehicle electronics when needed. The advanced AGM absorbent glass matte technology provides superior durability, improved vibration resistance, and dependable performance compared to conventional flooded batteries. Designed with a sealed, maintenance-free construction, this battery requires no water refilling and offers leak-resistant operation for added convenience and safety. Compatible with vehicles requiring. Number 3, Mighty Max Battery MMG35 AGM Car Battery, BCI Group 35, 12V55Ah start-stop automotive battery, 650 CCA, 100 RC. Maintenance-free rechargeable battery. 650 cold cranking amp CCA provides dependable engine starting power in hot and cold weather for reliable daily driving performance. 12V55Ah AGM battery high-performance absorbent glass matte AGM technology delivers stable power for modern vehicles and start-stop systems. Designed for start-stop vehicles, supports frequent engine restarts. while helping power advanced onboard electronics and improving overall efficiency. Maintenance-free, sealed, design, spill-proof, leak-resistant AGM construction requires no water refilling and offers excellent vibration resistance. 100-minute reserve capacity. RC supplies dependable backup power for vehicle electronics and accessories when the engine is off. BCI Group 35 fitment, designed for vehicles requiring Group 35 battery size. Always verify your vehicle's battery specifications before purchasing. The Number 4 Mighty Max Battery MMH6 AGM Car Battery, BCI Group 48H6, 12V70 Start-Stop Automotive Battery, 760 cca, 120 RC. Maintenance-free rechargeable AGM battery. 760 cold cranking amps cca provides strong, dependable starting power in both hot and cold weather for reliable daily performance. 12V70 AGM technology. Premium absorbent glass mat AGM design delivers stable power, fast recharge capability, and long-lasting durability, optimized for start-stop vehicles designed to support modern start-stop systems and vehicles with advanced electrical accessories. Maintenance-free, sealed. Number 5 Optima Battery 75/25 REDTOP sealed AGM starting battery, 12V high-performance car, truck and SUV battery, 720 cca. Dual SAE and GM terminals, maintenance-free. 720 cold cranking amps cca delivers powerful starting performance for cars, trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles in all weather conditions. High-performance spiral cell AGM technology. Optima's advanced spiral cell design provides strong, consistent power, faster charging, and exceptional durability. Dual SAE and GM terminals equipped with both SAE and GM side terminals for flexible installation across a wide range of vehicle applications. Maintenance-free, sealed AGM design, spill-proof, leak-resistant construction requires no maintenance while offering superior vibration resistance. Versatile mounting options. Fully sealed AGM design allows installation in multiple mounting positions except inverted for added installation flexibility. Long-lasting reliability, built to withstand harsh driving conditions, making it ideal for daily driving, performance vehicles, trucks, and off-road use. The Optima 75/25 REDTOP sealed AGM battery is a premium high-performance starting battery engineered to deliver exceptional reliability and dependable engine starts for cars, trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Producing 720 cold cranking amps cca, it provides powerful starting performance in both extreme hot and cold weather. Optima's exclusive spiral cell AGM technology offers greater vibration resistance, faster recharge capability, and longer-lasting performance than many conventional flooded batteries. Designed with dual SAE and GM side terminals, the REDTOP battery offers broad vehicle compatibility and installation flexibility. Its sealed, maintenance-free AGM construction eliminates the need for water maintenance while providing spill-proof operation and the ability to mount the battery in multiple positions, excluding upside down. Whether you're upgrading your